What up, YouTube? Just got at the barbershop not too long ago, and thinking throughout the day, I was like, I should do a challenge. Bring back a challenge that growing up I would watch while I was learning how to cut hair. And so we're gonna go to Target and see what we could get. And challenge would be is cutting hair with those clippers. Obviously, clippers that I have, or the ones that barbers use, you know, they're more advanced. The motor's better, the sharper blades, you know, so it's gonna be a challenge. The last time I used Walmart clippers was probably about 10 years ago or so when I first started, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna take it back. It's gonna be a fun challenge, and honestly I need to find someone who I can do it on. It's gonna be a challenge for me as well, just because I'm telling you, the motors on those things, not it. There's a reason why they're cheaper, and the ones that we use are $200, $300. Currently 8:50 p.m. Just got to Target. We're about to see what kind of clippers they got. It's never too late to drink a coffee. We got a quad espresso. All right, YouTube, we're right here. We arrived at the clipper station section, whatever you want to call it. You know what I mean? What do you think? We go with the Manscaped? Yeah, let's cut hair with the Manscaped. We shave our balls with. How about we do a challenge with that? But this is our option. So this it's a trimmer, but I want something where, so there's a trimmer down here, they got this combo, but I feel like that's a wall clipper. I feel like that's a little, I wouldn't say too easy, but come on, it's a wall. I feel like anything wall would be good, but I don't know. That's low-key the only clipper that I see. That's all they have. Oh, they have this one. Ultimate grooming kit. Is this 60 bucks, 70 bucks for this? There's no way this is 70 bucks. What is this? Shall we do this one? I say we go for this one. There's an Andis. What's that? Or what else do they have here? Yeah, how about we get this one? Look, Chrome Pro, 23 bucks. You know what that means? What do the guards come with? What kind of guards do they come with? They come with the attachments, a half, one. Oh, okay. Let's take this. You're out. I feel like this is a little, these are actually the ones I used to have when I first started cutting. Just that this wasn't black, it was blue. But all right, we got the clipper out the way. What should we do should we do this? All right, we're gonna take these for the edge up and the line up. And we're gonna also take this combo, the Manscaped, for extra services. I'm just playing. All right, YouTube, we got our set. I don't know how much it's gonna cost. Probably like 50, 60 bucks max. Let's see how this goes. Now, all I need is a model. I don't know who I'm gonna do it, or I might just do it on one of my clients without them knowing that someone noticed. As long as like the haircut is good, that's all that matters. We're ready to check out and see how much this ends up costing. Is lane 4 open? That's separate.
You want a protection plan for this one?
No, thank you. What's the total?
The total is $51.64.
$51.64.
How does it work? What time does your shift end? 9:30.
The total was $51.64 for both of these, trimmer and clipper. All there has to do is put them to use and see how this goes. So we're gonna be unboxing the clippers that we're gonna be working with and doing the challenge with. Look at this. Oh my god. I can't wait for this. It comes with guards, trimmer. And it comes with a little baggie. We got these. Just come with an 8. Yeah, number 8. Alright. Let me see what we're going with. A little case. And all the guards here. Some combs. Some not sturdy, very flexible combs. Oh my god. Shears. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna see how it goes, guys. This is a clipper. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be very interesting to do. Taper. Are these even zero gapped? I don't even think these are zero gap. Yeah, I don't think they're zero gapped at all. Not at all. Well, we're gonna see how this goes. Plug them in and try it on my client. I'm not gonna let him know that I'm using Walmart clippers, so it's gonna be interesting.
All right, YouTube, let's get into this challenge. First, we start off with combing the hair down and prepping everything so we get that nice canvas. Then we start to debulk with a number 3 guard all around the head. And my client wanted a mid drop fade, so we're gonna go ahead and proceed with our no guard lever open, going about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, just enough so when we go with our trimmers it leaves about 1 inch. Man, this challenge was definitely nice and challenging as well. These clippers were not it. The motor was not it. And throughout the video, you're gonna see me keep stroking to make sure that every hair is cut and every guideline is even. Then with our trimmer, we're gonna go ahead and set our bald line, leaving about 1 inch of our previous guideline. I like to go upward with the trimmer instead of setting in the guideline, just so it's easier to blend out. Especially with these clippers, I didn't zero gap anything. I just used them how they were. So I figured that it would make it easier for me to just blend out. And now you see me with the lever closed, no guard, taking out that line. Using the corner of my blade as well. Then with our 1 guard open, we're gonna go ahead and proceed and make another guideline, going up about 1 inch as well. Man, these clippers were not it, like, for real. It was definitely a challenge just because they were in zero gap. Second of all, the motor was just not it. Like, there's no power in it. It was heating up in my hand. But hey, this is what this video is about, showing you guys that not the clipper is the barber. One thing I learned at EWP, check out my previous video. It was my trip to Tampa. Was that it's not what you got, it's understanding what you have. So, you know, if you understand how the machine works, then you got it. You know, you could have the most expensive clipper, but if you don't know how to use it, how to function it, you know, and overall you don't know how to manage the clipper to actually cut hair and fade, then there's no point, you know. But we went in with our number 2 guard and started making our next guideline and flicking out to the number 3 so we don't set such a harsh line. Like I mentioned before, I'm just going over it so I know that everything is cut and precise to its length. Now with our trimmer, we're gonna go ahead and line up the C cups. And the trimmers were actually not as bad, but I still saw the difference, felt the difference. Not even that, the blade was like crooked. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. In the beginning, you'll probably see that it's a little crooked, like slanted. I don't know if that's how they came. I don't know, you know, but hey, we made it happen. Mind YouTube, I didn't even tell my client that I was doing this challenge. I didn't mention nothing. He just knew that I had new clippers, but I didn't tell him that they were Walmart or Target clippers. So Adrian, if you're watching this, man, shout out to you. I think I rocked this challenge. You like the haircut? I rocked with the haircut. Yeah, man, I think we did our thing in this video. Now we're just going with our clipper over comb, knocking out any excess hair. Now we just begin to detail a bit. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So I'm gonna just let this play and fast forward. Hey man, this challenge was definitely fun. I challenge anyone, you know, I recommend do the challenge. Hey man, it's only gonna push you, and you know, you're gonna test your limits and be like, damn, like I did this with Walmart clippers. But now we're just doing the lineup. I mentioned, you know, the trimmers weren't that bad. As you see, it's a little easier. And yeah, man. Alright, YouTube, this is the final look. Man, I believe I rocked it. I destroyed this challenge, man. If you think I destroyed this challenge, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. Man, just look at that fade. Look at that lineup. Man, everything just came together, especially for target clippers. You know, I know I destroyed this challenge, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Again, shout out Adrian. My boy didn't know I gave him a haircut with target clippers. But alright, YouTube, this was the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, thank you for 100 subscribers. We hit our goal. My goal was to hit 100 subscribers by the end of February. Just get to 200 by the end of March. I know we can do it. And check out my Instagram. I'll leave it in the description down below. And it's Angel Barber. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.